Good evening. This is Rita from Purpose Restored, where we challenge women to be restored by releasing the pain of their past, to recover their identity and discover their life's purpose. So, good evening again. I hope you have had a great day. And we have been discussing strength. And tonight, I promise you, I'm not going to be on here long. But last night, I talked about building your spiritual strength, your spiritual muscle. And a part of one of the things to help build your spiritual muscle. Tonight, I just want to give you scriptures that speaks about strength. And then I'm going to let you go. So the first scripture that I have is Psalms 119 and 28. The next scripture is Isaiah 40, 29 through 31. The next scripture is Isaiah 41 and 10. The next scripture is Joshua 1 and 9. The next scripture is Philippians 4 and 13. The next scripture is Psalms 29 and 11. And then there is Isaiah 40 and 31. Psalms 46 and 1. Nehemiah 8 and 10. Psalms 22 and 19. Psalms 118 and 14. Isaiah 12 and 2. Isaiah 33 and 2. Habakkuk 3 and 19, or Habakkuk 3 and 19. Ephesians 3 and 16. Proverbs 31 and 25. And I know there are more, but I did not want to inundate you. I just wanted to give you enough to get you started so you can start building that strength muscle. So you start understanding and believing that when you are weak, God is your strength. He will strengthen you. He is there with you. He said he would never leave you nor forsake you. So I wanted to share those scriptures with you. I am going to come back because we still need to deal with the physical strength. We need to deal with the mental strength, and we need to deal with the emotional strength. And that is literally all I have this evening. So I told you it was going to be very brief. And I hope that you will take the time to read these scriptures. Of course, my suggestion is to read them in the King James Version. However, I love the Amplified Version. I love the Amplified Classic Version. And I also like the New King James. And depending on if you are, there is also, what is it? I cannot think of the Passion Translation. The Passion Translation, which is New Testament. But I love the Passion Translation as well as the Amplified Classic. So yeah, that is all I have for you this evening. I hope that, again, you will take the time out to go and read the scriptures, study the scriptures, find out how much God really loves you, that he's with you, and whatever it is that you need, he will provide. God will provide it, whatever it is that you need. So have a wonderful evening. I pray that you are having an amazing week thus far. And I hope that you are gaining not just courage to share your story, to be your authentic self, but also gaining the strength that you need to continue to walk through your journey, your destiny, which God has created for you. So if you would like to reach out to me, you can contact me at info@ritatimmons.com. That is info@ritatimmons.com. Um, and I am Rita Timmons on all social media handles. So please reach out to me, connect with me. If there has been anything that I have said that encourages you, or if you have a question about something, I don't mind answering questions because I love to connect with people. So that is it. Have an amazing night and a great remainder of the week. Bye, guys.